गाइस, आप लोगों का मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे स्वागत है। आज मैं हनीसक्कल का सेकंड चैप्टर लेकर आई हूँ और सेकंड चैप्टर का नाम है हाउ द डॉग फाउंड हिमसेल्फ अ न्यू मास्टर। You may know that the dog and the wolf are closely related. You may also know something about how over the centuries human beings have domesticated and tamed wild animals. Here is a story about how the dog became a tame animal. Dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do in a freedom until a dog was born who was ill pleased with this way of a life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. One is the dog. He was very weak and tired, and he wants to one master, and then he can help in to searching of a food. So the dog have a search the one master. यहाँ पे डॉग एक मास्टर को सर्च कर रहा है जिससे कि वो बहुत वीक है और उसको जो फूड सर्च करना पड़ता है उसमें वो जो उसका मास्टर है वो हेल्प कर सके। और कभी कभी जो होता है डॉग अपने बड़े से एनिमल से मतलब जो उसको खा सकता है उससे वो डर जाता है, तो वो उसका जो मास्टर होगा उसको सेव कर सके। He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of a one who was stronger than anyone on the earth. He thought that he will choose one master, and he will who have a strong who have a one of the strongest animal on the earth, and he set out to find such a master. He wants to such master who was the stronger on the earth. यहाँ पे एक डॉग है जिसको एक मास्टर चाहिए जो कि इस पूरे वर्ल्ड में बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो। He walked and he meet a kinsman of his, a big wolf who was as strong as he was fierce. मतलब यहाँ पे जो है ये जो किन्समैन है, ये जो वर्ड है ये ओल्ड फैशन वर्ड्स है जो कि रिलेटेड है, रिलेटिव के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है। तो यहाँ पे उसको एक बड़ा सा वुल्फ मिला जो कि बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग था और किसी से मतलब फियर मतलब होता है डरना, मतलब ही वॉज अ फियर, मतलब यहाँ पे डॉग उससे डर जाता है लेकिन उसको लगता है कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है और ये मेरी हेल्प कर सकता है। वेयर आर यू गोइंग डॉग? द वुल्फ आस्क्ड द वुल्फ हैव आस्क्ड टू द डॉग वेयर इज ही गोइंग? द डॉग हैज़ रिप्लाइड, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर someone to take up a service with. Would you like to be my master wolf? He said that he is looking for someone to take up a service with, and he asked to the wolf, would he like to be his master? I don't see why not. Wolf have replied that of course wolf have ready for become a master of dog. The wolf said, and this agreed upon. The two of them went on together. I mean, become a master. After that, both of them went on together. They walked and they walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose. I mean, wolf have a listen and have a smell coming from the sniffed, and darted quickly off the path and into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. I mean, wolf have a felt that something was the wrong, and he was quickly hidden himself in a behind of a bushes. यहाँ पे वुल्फ को पता चल जाता है कि कोई ख़तरनाक जानवर उस रास्ते से आ रहा है, जिससे कि वुल्फ पूरी तरीके से डर जाता है और बुशेस के पीछे वो छुप जाता है. The dog was much surprised. Here was a dog was much is surprised of to see the wolf. What's come over you, master? I mean, dog have asked to the wolf, what happened? Why have he hidden himself in behind of a bushes? Wolf have replied, what was frightened you so? Their wolf have replied that, can't you see? There's a bear out there. I mean, यहाँ पे वुल्फ बोलता है कि तुम्हें दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, वहाँ पे बियर उधर, I mean देयर मतलब वहाँ पे बियर है, and he might eat up both of us. और ये जो बियर है हम दोनों लोगों को खा जाएगा. I mean, bear was a strong animal on the earth, and who can eat the dog and wolf. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, I mean the dog have a thought that the bear was stronger than the wolf. The dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. I mean, dog have asked to the bear कि he will accept the proposal of become a master. The bear agreed to this readily and said, let's go and find a herd of cows. I mean, bear said that let's go and find a herd of cows. I will kill a cow, and then we can eat. We can both eat our fill. I mean, यहाँ पे बियर बोलता है कि हम लोग चलते हैं, काऊ के जो झुंड है उसको सर्च करते हैं, एंड देन हम लोग काऊ को मारेंगे और हम दोनों लोग साथ में खाएंगे जितनी हमारी फिल होगी, जितनी हमारी ज़रूरत होगी. I mean, the bear have said to the dog, let's go and to kill a cow, and then both of them will eat. They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. I mean, when the bear walked near to near a herd of cows, but just that time some voice have come and bear have stopped due to of a terrible noise. यहाँ पे टेरिबल नॉइज़ की आवाज़ें सुनकर वहाँ पे डॉग और बियर रुक जाते हैं. द काउज वर मूइंग लाउडली. I mean, cows also have a cry, I mean shouting and running in a panic in all direction. I mean, वो बहुत तेज़ी से चिल्लाते हुए अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में भागने लगती हैं. The bear looked out from a behind a tree. I mean when Weir looked out from behind the tree, and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. और तुरंत वहाँ से जो बियर था वो तुरंत हैस्टली मतलब तुरंत, डीपर मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा घने जंगल की तरफ वो भाग जाता है. I mean the bear have a run away hastily deeper into the forest. Now why did I have to come here? Why did I have to come here? मैं यहाँ पे क्यों आया? Said he to the dog. I mean the bear said to the dog, why did he have he has to come here? It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts. I mean he said that lion is the strongest animals in the forest and he was a king. The lion who is, I mean dog have asked to the bear, who is lion? Don't you know? तुम नहीं जानते? He is the strongest beast on the earth. ये सबसे शक्तिशाली, पृथ्वी का सबसे शक्तिशाली जानवर है. Well, then I will say goodbye to you. I mean the dog said to the bear, goodbye. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on the earth. मैं तो ऐसा मास्टर चाहता हूँ जो कि इस पृथ्वी पर सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट हो. And of the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. यहाँ पे जब dog have asked to the lions for to become a master, the lion have agreed to it. I mean lion have agreed to accept the proposal of a dog, and the dog stay with him. I mean dog have always stay with the lion and served him for a long and long time. I mean he always served to lion for a long time. It was a good life. I mean dog's life was a good, and he had nothing to complain of, and dog have never complain to lion, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion. And dog understood that the lion was the strongest beast in the forest, and no one dared touch the dog या offend to him anyway. I mean यहाँ पे डॉग को ये फील हुआ कि अब मुझे कोई टच नहीं कर सकता है और मुझे कोई भी नुकसान नहीं पहुँचा सकता है. बट वन डे, एक दिन, the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid a bare cliff when all of a sudden lion stopped. तभी अचानक एक दिन रास्ते में, बेयर क्लिफ मतलब खालीपन, और अचानक से लॉयन स्टॉप्ड हो गया, रुक गया. ही गेव अ ग्रेट रोअर एंड स्ट्रक द ग्राउंड एंग्रीली विथ हिज पाँव विथ सच अ फोर्स. तभी उसका जो पाँव था वो मतलब फंस गया और वो बहुत तेज़ी से, एंग्रीली मतलब बहुत गुस्से से, वो चिल्लाना स्टार्ट कर दिया. और स्ट्रक मतलब फंस गया with such a force that hole formed there, and then he began to back away very quietly. और वो धीरे धीरे पीछे की तरफ चलने लगा. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? asked the dog. डॉग ने पूछा कि कुछ गलत है क्या, कुछ दिक्कत आ गई. सरप्राइज्ड, बहुत ज़्यादा. डॉग हैव अ सरप्राइज टू सी द lion. I smell a man coming this way. I mean the lion said to the dog कि यहाँ पे स्मेल आ रही है किसी आदमी का. एंड द lion said we did better run for it, we will be in trouble. यहाँ से अच्छा होगा कि हम लोग यहाँ से चलें, अदरवाइज़ हम ट्रबल में आ सकते हैं. आई मीन परेशानी में. ओह वेल then I will say goodbye to you. I mean the dog said to the lion, goodbye. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on the earth. I mean the dog have decided that I will choose the human for a master. And off the dog went to the join the man and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened a long ago, but to this day the dog is the man's most loyal servant and knows no other masters. I mean the dog have this is the story. It means dog have at the last have decided to choose the master of man, and now also the dog is the most loyal servant and knows no other is the master. So guys, this is the story, and it's a very interesting. If you like, so please go and subscribe and share. So thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel.